All right, so this is going to be our very first official drop test with the Galaxy S20 Ultra on the channel to test out these cases by Supcase and see just how well they will protect your device. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro. Really loving this metallic blue color. I think it looks amazing on this device. As you can see, we got a nice deep cutout for the camera there. For those of you that have seen this device before, you already know that this has a big camera hump, so it's nice that they gave us a nice deep cutout for that. Also got some good sized lips on the top and the bottom, so definitely looking like a very protective case. This is a two-piece case, and I also have the pre-existing screen protector that Samsung provides out of the box, so you can see it is compatible with this case. You won't have to take it off, but it is not the most protective screen protector. Definitely not going to protect it from any heavy falls or cracks or anything like that. Maybe some light scratches, so we'll definitely be able to tell if any scratches show up on the screen protector just to see how well this case protects that display. Now, I do have two small existing scratches right there on the edge. Not sure if you can see there on the camera, but they are there. But other than that, it is pretty much in perfect condition. So this is a working device. As you can see, they're definitely not a dummy model. So you can see I can turn it off and on, a working device. So let's go ahead and do a little drop test here and see just how well this case will protect this device. We'll start from a low about 3 feet right here. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right, it landed on its back, so the display is going to be fine. The display looks good right there, but let's check out that camera, and the camera in the back looks just fine. Just got a little bit of dust there and my fingerprint, of course. But let's go ahead and do it a little higher, about 5 feet right here. We'll go ahead and drop it face down. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh wow, that landed really hard on the corner, and I don't see any cracks on the display itself. Still looking really good. No scratches on the display. Camera still looks good. All right, let's go ahead and drop it from a little higher. This is about 6 feet right here. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, that landed on the display. I'm a little scared to see it, but let's go ahead and check it out. And look at that, no cracks on the display, no scratches on that screen protector, just a little bit of smudges. Let's see, I don't think this is a scratch. Nope, it was just a smudge. So the device still working good. Let me go ahead and unlock it here to see how well the display still responds, and still working good. Nice and buttery smooth. Look at that beautiful 120 hertz display. But as you can see there, it is still working good. So let's go ahead and try out one more drop once this car passes by. All right, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw it out there. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh, that landed hard. All right, let's check it out. Display still looking good. Screen protector still looking good. I don't see any new scratches, just a bunch of dust and my fingerprint smears from before. And the camera is still looking in good condition as well. So look at that. Definitely going to protect your device from some heavy falls. So let's go ahead and check out their next case. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro. So on to the next case. This is the Unicorn Beetle style, giving you that see-through back so you can be able to show off the back of your device. Now, I'm going to take it a little bit easier with this one because as you can see, it is a lot more slimmer, definitely not as bulky and rugged as the last case. Still giving you a pretty good size lip on the top and the bottom, but if you look in the back at that camera, it is pretty much flush with the case, so definitely not any deep cutout for that camera module. So I don't want to take any risk of possibly damaging that camera, but let me go ahead and do a couple of light drops here to see if it will protect it from, let's say, like a 3-foot drop if you happen to drop it out of your pocket or off of a short table, anything like that. So here we go, from about 3 feet. 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right, so it landed on its face and I don't see any damage done to that screen protector or the display itself. No cracks. Let's take it a little bit higher, about 4 feet right here. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, now it doesn't sound like it's hitting the ground super hard. The edges sound like they really are protecting the device when it hits that corner. Look at that, you can see damage is being done to the case, so definitely no damage being done to the device itself. The display still looks good. I don't see any cracks, any scratches. The camera is looking good. Let's go ahead and try it one more time. This one is about 5 feet. I know I said I was going to take it easy, but let's do a little 5-foot drop test here, and we'll go ahead, head back inside after that and check out the cases and check out the overall phone. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh, okay, that landed pretty hard. Let's go ahead and check it out. As you can see, it did land in the back, so I don't see any damage done to the display, but I'm really scared to check out that camera module. Let's check it out. Let me blow off some of this dust here. All right, and the camera module is looking good. I don't see any cracks, any scratches, looking really, really good. So even though I dropped this from about 5 feet, it still protected the device pretty good. I don't see any cracks in the back as well. But let's go ahead inside, take the case off, and really check out the device to really make sure no damage was done. Like I said, this is the Unicorn Beetle style. Okay, so I have made my way back inside. As you can see here, I'm just here checking out the device, making sure no damage was done. Looking at the back here, I don't see any cracks. I don't see any damage done to the camera module itself. And then going to the display, I don't see any scratches or cracks as well. So the cases definitely did a very good job at protecting this device. Now, I also tested out the camera just to make sure it was still working good. Took some pictures here with a couple of zoom as well. This was at regular 0x zoom. I believe this was like at 4x and 10x. And then I took an ultra wide picture right there. So the camera is still definitely working good as well. The phone seems to be responding perfectly, still running smooth and snappy, so no problems there as well. So I'm really surprised how well the thinner case protected this device, even at a 5-foot drop. Because like I said, as you can see, looking at the camera, especially with the camera, because in the back, it's pretty much flush with the case. There is no deep cutout like what we have on the Unicorn Beetle Pro. So even though with this being a thinner case, it still definitely protected the device. Now you can see where it did get kind of beat up here on the corners right there. So it definitely took a beating and protected the device very well. But let's go ahead and go over the cases here. So going down to the bottom, you'll see we got some precise cutouts for the microphone, the charging port, and the speaker. And then we also got a precise cutout for the microphone up here. And then there are no buttons on the side. They're pretty much flat, but we do have these grooves here to kind of let us know which button's which. So this is going to tell us that this is the volume rocker to turn the volume up, and then the volume rocker to turn the volume down, and then we got the power button here on the side. So as you can see, working really, really good, no problems there. And I think the case overall looks really good on this device as well. Like I said, it's got that see-through back, so you can go ahead and show off that back of your device. This is the gray and black color, and then we have another color right here, which is the purple color. Let me go ahead and take this off. Let's throw on the purple, see what that looks like. Boom, now we got the purple on there. Now, I'm not sure this color will go with this color of device. Maybe if we had the black S20 Ultra, it would look a lot better, but this is the purple case. Let's go ahead and try on the blue one over here, slap that on, and they are very easy to put on and very easy to take off. Just a one-piece case. The blue one actually looks pretty cool, but again, I think it would go a lot better with the black model. But either way, this is a cool looking case as well. Feels very good in the hands. Like I said, not too bulky, pretty slim case, but still going to give your device some good protection. So this is the Unicorn Beetle style. And the price on this model is $12.99, and then going to the Unicorn Beetle Pro, that model is $19.99. So honestly, I definitely think that those are pretty good prices for these cases, especially with the kind of protection you are getting out of them. You really want to invest in a good case that's going to protect your device. But let's go ahead and check out the Unicorn Beetle Pro. Now this one right here is a 2-piece case. Put this top piece on first, it fits on perfectly. And then what you want to do is go ahead and put the top piece in first. And then from there, just kind of work your way down, snap it in, boom. And they're nice and good. Let me see, I think I got it on right. Yep, looking good. Now what they do is they leave a little tiny gap here to make it easier to take this part off. But the phone is going to fit in there nice and secure. Doesn't feel loose at all. And as you saw from the drop test, is definitely going to be protected. The power button works good. Let's check out the volume rockers. Volume rockers working good as well, nice and clicky. You got a nice cutout right there for the earpiece, a cutout up top for the microphone, and then you got cutout on the bottom for the microphone, the speaker, and then the charging port as well, along with this little flap to help keep any dust out of there. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, you got a nice deep cutout for the camera, so definitely going to protect those cameras. Another cool thing about this case is that you also got a kickstand. So if you like to watch a lot of content, boom, you can set it up like that or set it up this way. Either way you set set it up, it's going to stand up nice and secure. You can even use it as a pop socket, as you can see there. So pretty cool. Definitely a very good feeling case, really going to protect your device. Like I mentioned earlier, I really love this metallic blue color. And then we also have a purple color right here, purple metallic. And then we have the black color as well, all looking very good. Now, one thing you'll notice is that they also come with a holster. So say you work in the construction business or anything like that, and you always want to have your phone out ready to pick up if you need to answer it or make a call, boom, you can put this onto your pants. Or even if you don't work the construction business, maybe you just want to have your phone right there ready to go and grab whenever you need it. You can clip this onto your pants or whatever it may be, boom, and then you just pull this little part back, take your phone out, and you are ready to go. So a holster can always be a good thing to have. But this is the Unicorn Beetle Pro, and you are definitely going to get some great protection no matter which case you decide to go with, whether it be the Unicorn Beetle style or Unicorn Beetle Pro. Like I said, $12.99 for this one, $19.99 for this one. If you find yourself interested in any of these cases, I'll make sure to drop a link down in the description below. I don't think you can go wrong either way. If you want the maximum protection, I suggest going with the Unicorn Beetle Pro. It will not let you down. And as you can see, it is compatible with the screen protector that Samsung provides on the device. So you can't go wrong either way. But let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about the drop test. Let me know what you think about these cases down in the comment sections below. If you like this video, make sure to leave it a huge thumbs up if you did find it helpful as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But for now, this is Josh Quinones. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.